Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we started the chapter analogy of this your book, Know Your Aptitude, and in this today also we are continuing this. That was the first part, and now this is the second part that we are starting related to numbers. Analogy means literally means similarity. So here, as one pair is given to us, then we will see that what is the relation between them, and same relation is in which part that we have to search. Where is the similarity? Which relation is here? Same relation is where? Where is same relation? Similarity is where? That we will search here. So first understand this pair very carefully. What are the numbers? 4, 7, 3, 2. 2, 3, 7, 4. See, reverse of this. This is a relation here, that he has written this number on reversing. So here also we will search like this. 6912 should be here. No, here is 6921. It should be 6912, not here. Now here 3719. 37, yes, this is the right answer. 3719. So this option is the right answer. As the relation is here, same relation is here. Now see this one. 4254. 5254. Only digit at 1000 place is changed. Means this number is 1000 more. So we will search here that this number is 1000 more. See, 8176, 9176. Yes, but it is 1000 less. We want 1000 more. So this is not possible. Gap is of 1000, but this side number is 1000 less, and we want 1000 more. Now see here. 4324, this is also not possible. 4239, 4329, no. 1234, 2234. Here also there is gap of 1 in 1000 place. This is the right answer. Here also this number is 1000 more. Here also this number is 1000. This number is 1000 more of this. Now see next. Third question. In third question he is saying 6, 5. In third question is saying 3500 ratio 3000, 5000 ratio 4000, 4500, 4500, 6200, 6000, 7600, 8000, 9000, 9500. See here carefully. This side number is 500 less. See, this number is 500 less. Here 200 less. This is not possible. Here 400 more. This is also not possible. Here 500 more. We want 500 less. So this is the right answer. As this number is 1500 less than this. So this, and here also this number is 500 less than this. So option is A. In this question number 4, it is given 1203 is same as 2406. Options are 1126, 2242, 2401, 4804, 1234, 2468, 1001, 4004. Let us, and question number 5 here is 11203360. Options are 1332, 1664, 1203, 3609, 2330, 6996, 3210, 9632. See carefully here. What is the relation here? 3 2s are, this number is double of this. This side number is double of this. So now see here, double of this. These are double, but 26 2s are 52. So it is not possible. Double of this? No. Double of this? Yes. If you will multiply this number by 2, you will get 2468. So C option is the right answer. As this is double of this, and here this number is double of this. So this is the right answer. Now see here carefully, 11203360. This number is 3 times of this. Now see where is 3 times of this. 3 times? No. 3 times? Yes. This is the right answer. If you multiply this number by 3, we will get this number. Option is B and here option is C. Now question number 6. In question number 6 he is saying 2468 1234 and options are 2244 4488 4488 2240 8640 4320. See carefully here. This number is half of this. Everything digit is half of this. So here we will search that this number should be half of this. It is half? No. Is it half? Yes. No. Here 2244 should be there. This is also not possible. This is also not possible. See half. If you will divide 2 by this number by 2, you will get this number. So C option is the right answer. That this number is half of this. Here also this number is half of this. Now last part we are doing 2388 2388 2400 and options are 7126 7000 4199 4300 7005 8000 4199 4200. Now see carefully. See, we have rounded off this number nearest 100 place. If you will round off this number nearest 100, see in place the digits which are after this number, in place of that we write 00. This digit as it is. Now we will think that 3 will remain 3 or 3 will remain 4, will become 4. For this we have to see the digit which is nearest to it. If it is less than 5, then 3 will remain 3. But if it is more than 5, then 3 will become 4. Means this number is the rounded number nearest 100. So in the here also we will search the same. If we will round off this number 7100, it is not possible. Here if you will round off this number 4200 will be there. This is also not possible. Here if you will round off this number, not possible. And here if you will round off this number nearest 100, in place of 9900, and this one will become 2 because in nearest one more than 5 digit more than 5 is number is there. So D option is right answer. 7th also you can do, last 2 digit is he has written. So in this way you can search this one also. So we have completed this exercise. Today we will revise this. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Up till now in this chapter 4 we have studied that how we can solve the linear equation into variables algebraically. And now we will study the solution of linear equation into variables graphically. And I told you also that if we will represent a linear equation into variables graphically, then we will get a straight line. This I told you. And now I will show you that how we are getting a straight line. Let us take one example for this. In this exercise 4.3, 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is the equation given to us, and we want to draw the graph of this equation. This is the question here. So what we will do here, first we will make this question we have to do graphically, means on graph we will plot the points. So first you can take one variable that side for easiness. Y I am keeping here, so, and 2x I am sending that side. This is the value of y which is depending on x. Y I have one variable we will keep here and one we will send that side. It is easy for us. Y 2x we will shift that side. Now put the value of x, you will get the value of y. This is a very simple equation. We can do orally also. One time, see, if we will put the value of x, then we will get the value of y. So one time we will write 1 here, one time 2, one time 3. In place of x, if we will write 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. If you will write 2 here, 2 2s are 4, 3 minus 4 minus 1. If you will write 3 here, 3 2s are 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3. So in this way, first we will find minimum 3 solutions. And now we will plot these points on the graph. Cartesian plane we will take. This is Cartesian planes, means this is x-axis, horizontal line. This is y-axis. 1 positive numbers this side. In this way you will take Cartesian system. What is the first point? 1 1. From x, on x also 1 and y also 1. 1 from here and 1 from here. See, they will meet at this point. This point. And the coordinates are 1 1. Second is 2 minus 1. X 2, y minus 1. 1 point from here and 1 from here. This point is 2 minus 1. Third is 3 minus 3. X 3, y minus 3. See, this is from x, you can see from here. X is 3 here and y is minus 3 here. So one line from 3 and one line from 4. You will draw the line and they are meeting here. And now if you will join, what are the coordinates here? 3 minus 3. And you will get a line, you will extend both sides and arrow also should be there. This is the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 3. So in this way we have represented the linear equation in two variables graphically. And we got a straight line. And we found only 3 solutions, but you can forward this also. Every point on this number, on this line is the solution of this equation. And you know a linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions. So here on this line also infinite points are there which are the solution of the equation. But if a point is here and line is here, then that point will not be the solution of the equation. The point which is on this line, they are the solution of the equation. Now question number 2, see carefully. Give the equations, or first I am telling you question 3, easy, very easy for you. One equation is given to us, 3y is equal to ax plus 7. It is given to us. And he is saying the point 34 lies on the graph of this. Lies on the graph of it. Graph of it. It is given to us. If this point lie on the graph of this, it means it will satisfy it. It means in place of x, if we will write 3 here, and in place of y we will write 4, then also LHS and RHS will be equal. It will satisfy it. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. We get. In place of y we will write 4. In place of x 3 plus 7. 3 4s are 12. 3 into a 3a plus 7. 3a we will keep here. 7 you can shift this side. It will become plus 7 will become minus 7. 5 is equal to 3a. Now this 3 we can shift downward side. So a is equal to 5 by 3. This will be the answer. Is it clear? Now see question number 2. In second question he is saying, give the equations of the two lines passing through 240. One point is given to us. Given point is 240. See on the graph, this point will lie on in the first quadrant. maybe here if this is 2, this is 14, then this point will be 2, 14. And see this, from this point how many lines can pass? Infinite lines can pass, means infinite, and for every line we have to write equation. He is saying give the equations of 2 lines only which passes through this point. So equations of lines passing through 214 are. What are the equations passing through 240? One equation we will write like this, that their sum is what? Their sum is 16. 2 plus 14, 16 is there. This we will take as x and this we will take as y. And 2 plus 14 is 16. See, it is clear or not? Now in place of x if you will write 2 and in place of y you will write 14, then 14 plus 2 is 16. Means the one equation I have written by taking sum of these. Now one equation I will write with their difference. If you will take, you can take 14 minus 2 also, you can take 2 minus 14 also. 14 minus 2 is 12. Means y coordinate minus x coordinate. Y minus x. Y minus x is 12. So this is our second equation. And we can write infinite such equations. See how. Now you can multiply this number by 2 and this number you can multiply by 3. See what you will get. 2 2s are 4. 14 3s are 42. What is the sum? 46. I am taking twice of x coordinate, thrice of y coordinate, and then sum is coming 46. You can write one more also. Multiply this by 1 and this by 2 and then add. See, 1 into x, that is x, plus 2 into y, 2y. If you will multiply this by 1, then 2. If you will multiply this by 2, 28, means 30 will be there. You can do this, you can multiply by 5, this you can multiply by 4, then subtract or then add. Anything you can do. Multiply this by 10, this multiply this by 3, then add or subtract. As many equations you want to write, you can write. And question is there, how many more such lines are there? We will write there are infinite many lines. There we have to write only 2 equations. One equation we will write in the sum as a sum and one equation we will write as the difference. There are infinite such lines. I have shown you that as many equations we want to write, we can write. Now he is saying why? Why is infinite such lines are there? Because through a point infinite lines can pass. Because through a point infinite lines can pass. Okay, you will do this first, second and third question of this exercise. Thank you.